In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar chart in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your chart. Bring in your data, style it to match your design, and lock it in place so nothing shifts as you finish your project. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one, like a presentation or a document. If you are starting fresh, choose a size that fits where your chart will live, such as a standard presentation slide. If you are working in an existing file, navigate to the page where you want the chart to appear so you can see it in context. Next, find the chart tool. On the left-hand sidebar, click Elements. Scroll down until you see the Charts section, or use the search bar at the top and type bar chart. This helps you quickly pull up different bar chart styles, including simple vertical bars, horizontal bars, or stacked bars. Depending on the story you want to tell, click on a bar chart type to add it to your canvas. It will drop right onto your page and you can immediately move it around to get a sense of spacing. Don't worry about the default data you see. This is just a placeholder. Now let's bring in your own numbers. To enter data directly, double-click the chart or click Edit to open the data table. Replace the sample labels with your categories like Q1, Q2, and Q3 and type your values in the corresponding cells. Keep labels clear and concise, so they're easy to read during a presentation. If your data already lives in a file, select the chart, click Edit. Then choose Upload Data. You can connect a CSV, XLSX, or TSV file or select Google Sheets. Once imported, check that your labels landed in the first column and your values in the right series. Then confirm. With your data in place, customize the design. Select the chart and use the color boxes in the top menu to change bar colors. Choose hues with enough contrast so each series is distinguishable. In the Settings tab of the Data panel, toggle options to show or hide data labels, adjust the legend and fine-tune bar spacing for clarity. For typography, click any text within the chart to change fonts, sizes, and colors. Aim for legible sizes and consistent fonts that match your overall design. Finally, drag, resize, and position the chart so it fits neatly within your layout. Use Canva's smart guides to align elements. When you are happy with the placement, lock the chart to prevent accidental movement while you continue designing. Thanks for watching.